tuppence a bag. Feed the bird, sir.
There's that horrible old woman.
Stay point. And for your information, she is not in the least horrible.
But she's just a bundle of rags.
When will you learn to look past what you see? Turn each day to the steps of St. Paul's. The little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls.
Come by my bags of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, children you can, and you'll be glad if you do. The young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead the birds fill the skies.
What are you doing? Going to give her my sixpence. What a waste.
That's a matter of opinion. Here, one bag, please. Save your sixpence. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they must find you. Each time someone shows that he cares. A simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence.